Good morning, everyone. It's a brand new day, and you know what that means. It's time to start our morning routine, and today we're making toothbrushing a super fun family event. Are you ready? Let's go wake up the team. JJ, wake up! Pat, rise and shine. Mom, Dad, time to get up. It's time to brush our teeth together.
This sounds like so much fun, Liam. What's the plan?
Okay, everyone, grab your toothbrush and toothpaste. We're turning toothbrushing into a game.
Me, what's the challenge?
We're going to brush for 2 minutes, and during that time, we'll dance, sing, and have the best time ever. Brush your teeth. Make them nice and clean. Up and down and all around. The cleanest teeth you've seen.
This is so much fun. Look at my moves.
I love brushing with my family.
What a wonderful way to start the day.
Brushing complete. Initiating floss mode.
Great job brushing, everyone. Now let's floss those pearly whites.
Okay, team. Slide that floss gently between your teeth. No rushing, we're pros at this.
Breaking news. The Smith family has the cleanest teeth in town.
Look at those shiny smiles. We did it, everyone.
Now we're all ready to conquer the day. Let's grab breakfast and get ready for school.
Tooth time challenge complete. High fives all around.
Thanks for joining us on our Tooth Time Challenge. Remember, brushing your teeth can be fun when you do it together. Now go shine bright and start your day with a smile.